Hello, Mr. Large. This is my craps game project, and at first, I would like to go over the die class, which I just set basically the number of dots is equal to math.random times 6 plus 1. This makes it so it chooses a number 1 through 6, and then it basically what it does after choosing a number 1 through 6 is sets it to the number of dots, and this returns number of dots for other places to use. And then here is my craps game itself. I said basically if point is equal to 0, this checks to see if it's the first move, basically. And it sees, oh, if you roll a 2, 3, or a 12, that means you lost. So it changes the point back to 0 and returns -1. But if it's a 7 or 11, it resets the point value and sets it to, and gives you a 1 for the point. So, and if you don't, the new point that you rolled becomes a new total and returns to 0. It returns 0, basically making it so that I continue with this loop, and then we go into the, if it is not the first move, then it'd be the else statement, because the point would be something other than 0, and this sees if total is equal to point, that means it's a win, so it returns a win and resets the value. Basically, if you get roll 7, it returns a loss and resets the point value. And if not, if you don't get any of these, then you basically just keep going. And now for my rolling die. Basically, I just thought of it as a grid with X and Y, X1, X2, X3, Y1, Y2, Y3, and I just filled in where the dots would go. And the game in action looks like, sorry about that. Whoops. Looks like this.